People are stopped on the railroad tracks here. This is nuts. And I know trains go through here. Because there's a train station right there. Why do people do this? This is wrong. What the fuck's that guy doing? Oh! What the? Holy shit! No signal.
Characteristic of the postmodern condition is hyperreality. This refers to the way in which the unreal simulations of reality start to seem more real than reality itself. Patrick Bateman is a violent psychopath who
move your...
What is divine light? Aziz, light! Much better, thank you, Aziz.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, this is why it's stupid to go into the merge lane when it's about to end and move back over. And over to Bullnose. Holy shit. Don't tell me you're doing that. That's gotta be like... There's a crosswalk. Good. Really? You're gonna keep going? Wait, that lane ends. Why move over to it? Is that a Massachusetts thing? Is that a Boston thing? I've seen that like maneuver several times today. That yellowish red Mustang. Left lane. Must turn left. Even though it's under construction, they still got signs up everywhere for it.
I finally get it. I've never understood.
Yeah, he's smoking a cigarette too. Cigarette in one hand, cell phone in the other.
Oh, that's what a car's supposed to do. As opposed to
and we got this Honda Genius.
You fuckers have. Telling you, you idiot, look where you live. You're already dead. People were worried about anthrax. People were worried about smallpox. I don't worry about smallpox. You got a vaccine. I got a scar to prove it.
What y'all trying to do?
What's wrong with that?
Oh, yeah.
Hey kids, what y'all trying to do?
Hey, kids! What's...
Bad red light runner.
Not girls. What?
You want to try it in my mouth?
Why you gotta take a turn that wide?
Oh, yeah.
That guy stopped on the railroad tracks. That's like a weird double. No, Rhode Island. I mean, my state's mixed up. There's nothing wrong with more cake, and what the heck's this guy doing?
Is not to take money away from someone else. The best way to help someone who's struggling financially is, hey, let's learn from those who aren't struggling financially, do what they do, and become one of them. You get to decide that. You have the power
Whoa,
of choice right now. Are you a victim or a victor? Be a cheerleader for the successful.
Even though you're only paying an effective rate of 3.23% interest after your tax write-offs, when you also factor in inflation of 2% on average per year, you're really paying more like 1.23% of interest. Because remember, we start.
So in the real world where I live, cash means something. But a lot of these places now they sell same price, cash or credit, we don't care. So not only do they have an artificially high price of the cards, they don't care.
Whoa, what the fuck? Going into the service plaza. What the fuck? It's still, you still turn left from that lane. I don't get what difference it makes.
It's a lot of these things that they wishing and wishing and wishing on me.
It's green. Taking long enough to figure it out.